Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. Hope you all are doing well. And today I'm going to give you a brief overview of IPFS, Interplanetary File System, and how to host your files online. It's simple. IPFS is similar to HTTP, but it's decentralized. So there are two ways to install IPFS: through desktop and command line. Command line is pretty much easy and it's easy for beginners. So let us see how to install and how to work with IPFS through command line for this video. And next video I will be telling about IPFS through desktop and how to work with it. For that I will be giving both descriptions. Here we can see how to install through Windows for different OSs, and yeah, we'll be seeing through command line for today's video. If you have already had experience with IPFS, at some point you have probably seen that files would just disappear after 24 hours or so. So in this tutorial I will show you how to keep your files online as long as your server is present. I mean, since we are using here in command line, as long as it's been pinned. You'll be getting it later. It is really a fantastic platform. Yeah, let's start. So let us initiate IPFS. In order to initiate IPFS, the command is IPFS initiate. So this is the hash code, peer identity. So this peer identity is something similar to our identity, I mean our system's identity. What IPFS does is, like, it will check for the peer identity and connect to the system. In case of our system, this is our peer identity. This error message, you just need not to be care about it, because I already click this initiation before, so it will be showing this like this. So now start with the daemon process, which is a IPFS node to communicate with the rest of the network in order to exchange and upload the files. For daemon, IPFS DAM. Yeah, this what this daemon does is, this will create a node in the background for us. So you can just next time, I mean, if you want to exit, you can just click Ctrl+C, or like you can click IPFS daemon FG. That will make our computer offline in IPFS network. So that is the feature of daemon. And then in order to add files in IPFS, we will be using command called IPFS add -r and then our file name. Let us check in our pictures what images, so we can upload some image as of now. IPFS add -r. So we are having these images. We can think, yeah, IPFS add -r. Let us upload the wallpaper. Yes. So here we can see that we got this one. In IPFS terms, we will be calling this as a content ID. By using this content ID, we can check our host. I mean, IPFS connects with our peer and then asks for this. I mean, if someone is asking for a picture of this content, then they can just use this content ID and they can download that picture. That is how, if you are using torrents or something, that is how it works. So finally, to keep our files online, as I told before, to make it online, I mean, in order to not to collect it into garbage collector or something, we just use the pin command, and they will remain online as long as your daemon is running. As long as this daemon is running, whatever the file which we have uploaded, it will be online only. That won't be collected into garbage. So for that we will be using ipfs pin add -r, and then our content id. Just copy that and paste it here. Yes, so this will be pinned until our daemon is off recursively. Yeah, we can just copy this. Yes, yeah, you might be having some doubt like whether this picture is added into ipfs or not. In order to check that, we can use Brave browser, or we can also use Chrome. So by using Chrome, we can check. Since we have copied this content id, you can directly go here and check for that. For that we will be using https gateway .ipfs, and we will be pasting our content id here. So this will give, yes, this is the picture which I have uploaded. So you can see it's been uploaded in ipfs network. You can see you might be having with that. Yeah, this is the picture, the wallpaper.com one. Yes, so this is how we upload content into ipfs. Thanks for watching. Thank you.